welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today we are going to be doing my February Boxycharm base unboxing. I am super excited. I've been waiting for this. It seems like forever. It seems like some months it comes early, some months it comes late. So let's go ahead and get to it. So let's see what we've got here. We've got Boxycharm XOXO. So definitely Valentine's Day related. Alright, so we're just going to go down this list. We'll show it off and see what we've got. So the first thing in here is an Ace Beauté Nostalgia Palette. Alright, here's the bottom. Okay, this is cute. It's got like a little tropical feel to it. It says the Nostalgia Palette consists of 15 colors that are meant to inspire fun and creativity and perhaps to make you feel nostalgic about some past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. Alright, so and that says exactly the same thing on the little pamphlet. This does retail for $38.99. It's very specific. $38.99. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what this palette is about. Okay. It's very tropical. It's really giving me like summer vibes, honestly. It's got like beach, popsicle, theme park, water slide, so definitely very summery vibes, but it also says hiking, carnival, flower, heat, picnic, camping, so definitely a lot of things on here. Flip-flops. So definitely really cute. I think this is gonna be fun for the summer and definitely like nice, really bright colors. I hope like this yellow has that payoff as well. And maybe this vacation, that's bright orange. This is cute. This is very, very cute. Alrighty, so the next thing in the box is the Saturday Skin Vitamin C Sleep Mask. It says this is a lightweight sleep mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, poor stress, and texture. This unique jelly texture mask is crafted with the yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. This retails for $29. I'm not gonna like open this. Just because I've already got some like nighttime sleep masks that I'm already working on, but this is the little packaging, the Saturday Skin. The Saturday Skin strap is really nice, honestly. I've liked everything I've had so far from them, so I'm excited to try this out when the time comes. We've got some time, trust me. Okay, so the next thing in the box is the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. It says get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs to a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin, while the clear, shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. Now this thing retails for $22, and this is the little packaging it comes in. And let's go ahead and see what's in here. Oh, okay. So it's in like a little compact like this. That's kind of cute. And it's got both on here. So it's got the little cream blush lip tint and the clear cream side, and it also has like a little mirror as well, so that's really cool. Definitely something you can easily like take on the go. I am excited for the cream blush, but the clear lip balm, it's not doing too much for me. And this retails for $22. I think that's kind of expensive for this, but I mean, maybe you're just paying just $22 for really the blush. The next thing in the box is the Glamier Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. The glittery, enchanting, and fun, this set features four essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic brushes make blending easy and flawless. Sorry, my husband's playing a video game in the other room, and that's what the noise is. These retail for $29.95. This is the packaging. It's just a like kind of like a jelly bag. And let's go ahead and peep these brushes. Oh my gosh, look guys, they dropped the glitter. Okay, so I went ahead and took them out of their packaging, and these are the little brushes. You've got an angle brush, a blending brush, a good little packing brush, and kind of like a little liner brush as well. Good for like small detailing as well. Probably good for like lower lashes. But I just love that the little glitters like can fall from this. This is just so cute. It reminds me a lot of my It Cosmetics brush. They're not the same color pink though. These are definitely more like red pink, where these are more like, I don't know, pink pinks. So last thing in the box is a St. Luxe Beauty limited edition liner duo. It says this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever. With a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula, the liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with its little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining your lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. These retail for $40. So that's a little expensive for some liners. I mean, that means one liner's $20. That's a lot for a liner. Alrighty, so it looks like we've got like two nudes. We've got like a nice like kind of like a rosy nude and a more brown nude, which I'm like living for during the winter shades. I'm gonna go ahead and just like swatch these on the back of my hand. This does have a really interesting texture to them as well. I just broke the tip off of this one. I wasn't like holding it that hard, to be honest. I really wasn't. Okay, I'm just looking for my sharpener over here. I'm gonna sharpen this up and then swatch it for real. These are the two little swatches. This is the more brown shade, and then this is more of a kind of a warmy kind of brick color. I don't know, it's very warm. These have names on them. This more warmy brown, so this first one right here, this one right here, this one is called Love Letter. That's kind of cute. And then the second one here, which is this more brown shade, which is a little darker, this one is called Secret Admirer. That's kind of cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly add all this up and see how much this box was worth. My box retailed for $159.94, and I only paid $25 for it. So really, really good value there in that. This box was kind of okay. I wasn't like too thrilled about it. These brushes honestly kind of made up for it because these are just like so much fun. Honestly, so much fun. Other than that, I mean, lip liners are pretty cool, but that first one already like broke off. This blush, and I already have like a ton of moisturizers right now. That's just kind of is what it is. But other than that, this completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.